Apeejay Institute of Mass Communication, AIMC, has an overall rating of 4.7 stars out of 5 on Google by students, and the placements have been given a rating of 4.8 stars. AIMC provide 2 years full-time program in Management in Mass Communication (PGDM) and 1 year full-time PG diploma courses in Mass Communication and Journalism. Minimum aggregate of 50% in graduation is required for admission. AIMC achieved excellent placement results year after year across various media entertainment platforms in over 100 reputed media organizations. Taking a look at the year-on-year trend, there has been approximately 40% growth in median packages since 2021. The top recruiters included the likes of AdFactors PR, VML Advertising, TV9, ITV Network, Group M, Z, ABP, RK Swamy, In Shorts and many more.